Today we cooked healthy shawarma.
Ingredients: pizza and chicken fillet,
Fresh vegetables, cucumber, tomato, and lettuce. For sauce, mustard and yogurt. Today I tell you how to cook shawarma step by step. First, prepare sauce by mixing yogurt and mustard. Then cut chicken fillets into slices. And vegetables.
the fruit or the chicken, add vegetables, add the saucy wrap shawarma tightly.
Healthy shawarma is ready. It's easy to cook and so yummy.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.